But what if I told you that with a few simple additions, that same cup could not only wake you up, but also help support circulation, boost energy, and restore those morning situations that used to be a lot more reliable? Before we dive in, do me a favor. Hit that like button, comment below with, where are you watching from? And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss practical tips for men's health after 50. Here's the truth most men don't hear. It's not always about pills or expensive treatments. A lot of what affects performance and stamina later in life starts in your kitchen and your daily habits, not just the medicine cabinet. Coffee alone? Great for alertness. But after 50, a plain caffeine spike isn't enough. Hormones shift, blood vessels stiffen, stress builds up, and a quick jolt of caffeine is like putting a Band-Aid on a leaky pipe. We're going to fix the underlying system so your body responds reliably, not just temporarily. I'm Dr. Nerita, a urologist and men's health specialist with 12 years of experience helping men regain confidence, stamina, and reliable performance. Over the years, I've seen thousands of men assume age is the end of their vitality, but it doesn't have to be that way. Small, consistent daily habits can make a massive difference in circulation, hormonal balance, and energy, sometimes even in men in their 70s and 80s. Today, I'm sharing an evidence-informed morning routine tweak. It's not a miracle, but it's practical, safe, and works with your body instead of against it. Let's go through 5 powerful additions for your coffee and why they matter biologically, emotionally, and practically. 1. Cinnamon. Start with 1/4 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon. Why? Biologically, cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar. Stable blood sugar protects the tiny arteries feeding penile tissue, supporting more consistent morning erections and energy levels. Emotionally, fewer blood sugar crashes mean fewer mid-morning irritability spikes. You feel steadier, more in control. Practically, it adds a warm, familiar flavor. Men often notice smoother energy and fewer cravings by the 2nd week. Tip: start small and pay attention to how your body responds. 2. Unsweetened cocoa powder. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of real unsweetened cocoa powder, not hot chocolate mix. Biologically, cocoa is rich in flavonoids that boost nitric oxide, the molecule that signals blood vessels to relax. This means better blood flow where you need it most. It also contains magnesium, which supports muscle function and healthy testosterone. Emotionally, stronger circulation often correlates with confidence, less worry, more dignity. Practically, your coffee turns into a sugar-free mocha. Too bitter? A touch of stevia or monk fruit keeps it safe for blood sugar. 3. Maca powder. Add 1 teaspoon of yellow maca powder. Biologically, maca is an adaptogen. It doesn't replace hormones, but nudges your stress and energy systems toward balance. Men often report improved energy, mood, and drive over a few weeks. Emotionally, helps restore that sense of being yourself again. Less fatigue, more motivation. Practically, start slow, 2 to 3 mornings per week, and notice subtle changes in focus, workouts, and drive. 4. Coconut or MCT oil. 1/2 to 1 teaspoon blended into your coffee. Biologically, healthy fats are raw material for hormones. MCTs convert quickly to energy, smoothing caffeine spikes. Emotionally, sustained energy reduces frustration, keeps mornings calm. Practically, blend well to avoid floating oil. If sensitive, start small. Neutral flavor oils are available if coconut isn't your thing. 5. Ginger, fresh grated or 1/4 teaspoon powdered. Biologically, supports circulation and reduces inflammation, both critical for vascular health and erectile function. Emotionally, a gentle warming effect improves mood and alertness. Practically, add it to your cup before pouring coffee. Start small. If your stomach is sensitive, you're not trying to dump all 5 into 1 mug on day 1. Build gradually. Week 1, cinnamon only. Week 2, add cocoa. Week 3, introduce maca on 2 to 3 mornings. Week 4, blend in coconut/MCT or ginger. Pro tip, keep a small jar of premixed cinnamon and cocoa by your coffee maker. Spoon, pour, stir, done in seconds. For coconut MCT, use a 15-second milk frother for a creamy latte-like texture. Use your phone notes or sticky notes to rate your mornings 1 to 10. Note energy, focus, appetite, and any differences in erections or stamina. Patterns emerge faster than you think. After 30 days, most men notice smoother energy throughout the morning, fewer jitters and crashes, improved workouts and focus, morning erections becoming more reliable. Small, consistent steps, not overloading your system, are the key to lasting results. Men on blood thinners, liver disease, or multiple medications, check with your clinician. Sensitive stomachs, start with cinnamon and cocoa first. Fat sensitive, start with 1/2 teaspoon MCT. Reflux issues, ginger may irritate, so take it slowly. Remember, this is supportive, not curative. If you have diabetes, heart disease, or other serious conditions, maintain your regular medical care. Gentlemen, age is not the end of vitality. Your body is still capable of excellent performance. Sometimes it just needs the right fuel and small tweaks to restore function and confidence. One tiny spoon in your coffee is a step toward feeling like yourself again, both physically and mentally. Start small. Layer in the additions. Track your mornings. Celebrate subtle wins. Share what works with friends. Your experience could help someone else take the first step. If you found this useful, subscribe for more practical men's health guidance. No hype, no shame, just habits that work. Share with a buddy who needs an easy win in the morning.